Hi, I'm Kumudini and I use journaling for literally everything. Be it to stay organized, to be more productive, or to process my emotions, this is the bestest tool I've ever come across. Now, one of the common questions I always get is how many journals do you use in a day and how do you use them? So, today's video is all about that. Now, of course, there are two ways to go about it. One is that you have one journal where you have everything from your to do list to your monthly goals to your emotions and everything, or you have multiple journals for different purposes. Now, I am someone who prefers the letter because then I know which journal to reach out to when I need a specific thing. And if you feel this is your gig, let me show you around how I use my journals. And you can then also pick some journals for yourself. Now, on any given day, these are the four journals that I use. Let's start with the very first one that I start my day with. First is this plain blank journal. I'll link it in the description. Now, this I use to make my to do list. I write the tasks and I tick them off as I complete them. Now I also have this pen which is red and blue in one pen itself. So I write the tasks with blue, cross them off with red, or write them with red and cross them off with blue. It just gives me a clarity on what I have done and what is yet to be remaining. Then I use this mini journal where I document my days. How you can do that is something that I've linked right here so you can check it out. Next one is this rule journal where I do written chanting. Now, for the written chanting, you can pick up any word that makes you feel positive. It can be spiritual, it can not be spiritual. It's totally your call. All you have to do is pick up a notebook, pick up that word, and start writing it in a notebook. Now, there is no rule for how many words should come in a line. Depending on how much space it's taking and how big your handwriting is, you can decide for yourself. Now, when I'm traveling, I don't carry this notebook with myself and I don't do the written chanting when I'm traveling. But on all the days when I'm home, I make sure I write one page every day. Another question I always get asked is, does something shift after you're done writing one page? How do you feel while writing it? And I'll be very honest here. It's not like I finish writing a page and I feel very magical all of a sudden or something shifts in my mind altogether. But one thing is, of course, it helps me, build a discipline. Second thing is, I consciously or unconsciously get reminded of something higher above me. And third thing is that instead of being on your phones or on screen or doing something that's totally unproductive, something like overthinking, this helps. So the only thing is while you are writing it down, maybe just chant it out loud also, or in your mind, just keep, chanting it like that. Then it's a plain journal where I write down my emotions and thoughts and try to process them as well. Now, this journal where I process my emotions, I don't use it every day, but I use it thrice every week because if I start writing every day, I'll probably create problems that don't exist. So, but I make sure that on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, I pick it up. I write out whatever is going on in my head, whatever has been bothering me, stressing me out, or even making me happy, so that I know whatever is going on in my head and I can process it. I can try to find solutions for the things that need solutions and I can accept the things that need acceptance also. And the brain dump helps, of course. So if on any day I feel, a lot of things are bothering me, a lot of things are weighing me down, or there's a lot of chaos in my head, I would definitely go for a brain dump, even if it's not a Monday, Wednesday, or a Friday. Now, these were the journals that I use very frequently, but there are also journals where I'm not consistent. So I pick them up when I really feel like it. So maybe once a week, or once in 2 weeks, or 3 weeks. Now, it's your call. You might want to use them every day, or you might want to be inconsistent with them like I am. Totally your call. Let me show what they are, and you can decide for yourself. First one is this art journal where I make art when I feel like making art or when I know my mind is everywhere and it's just not feeling well. I would create something so that it makes me happy. Again, I pick it up whenever I feel I need some creative outlet basically. Then it's this one to note down my gratitude, affirmations, and manifestation. Again, I know whenever I'm falling down on some negativity, I know I need these. So I have divided this notebook using sticky notes. So first section is for gratitude, next section is for affirmations, and the last one is for manifestation. And again, once you fill those sections up, you can always move these sticky notes however you feel like. Then it's this notebook where I write down some random lists, some minutes of meeting, maybe some random notes that I have to make, which I don't have any specific space for. So this one is a random notes wala journal for me. Now, these are my most frequently used journals, and this can be your sign to buy a few new notebooks for yourself. However, I can also help you with making a plan for yourself depending on what are your requirements and what is your schedule like. You can book a one on one session with me for the same. I have dropped the link in the video description, and I hope to see you soon.